How to lock your profile on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to lock your profile on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down and click settings and privacy, and now click this one, settings, and then go down until you find here this one, profile locking, and just click on it and then click lock your profile. And as you see now, my profile has been locked, and that's how to lock your profile on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.